Hi, my name is Paja, social media manager at iCrest Models, and I'll be interviewing Yash Mantri, founder of both iCrest Models itself as well as InfoCrest. Yash, can you tell us a little bit more about your company?
Yeah, I'm professionally a chartered accountant and a company secretary, and I run my global consulting company InfoCrest from last 5 years, in which we provide business planning, financial modeling, market research, bookkeeping, and accounting. We also provide funding related advisory to the startups and SMEs both across the globe. We have served in more than 33 countries up till now.
Can you give us a brief description of iCrest itself?
See, iCrest is a tech product of InfoCrest. iCrest it's a global service-based marketplace in which we are facilitating tools, templates, and advisory. What we are saying is, let's say if you are a consultant who is working in a particular field, let's say a marketing industry, and having experience of 5 years, 10 years, or 15 years, whatever. And during this span of dealing with your clients, you might have created a lot of documents which once executed, as such, they are not generating any monetary value for you. So what we are saying is, you come to our platform, you start uploading those tools and templates after removing the confidential information, just sanitize your documents, and this is how you can start generating passive income. Other most important feature is the advisory feature, in which user can come to our platform. He can just book the number of hours for which he wants to take advice from our particular vendor, and that's the very exciting feature which we have launched along with tools and templates.
And when did you first think of this idea?
See, the idea of iCrest came to me a long time back, but I didn't get a chance to execute the same. I started executing the same from last 1 year, and this is how the platform is launched now. The difficulty which we faced during the span of last 5-6 years is that sometimes startups or maybe an SME are looking for a high quality document, but they are not having any budgets to pay. So that's how we thought that why not we come with such a platform in which we can not only upload also our inventory, but also invite other vendors from different fields who can utilize the platform to earn some passive income.
Okay, so tell me more about the various features in the process.
See, as an e-commerce company, we can't just be holding on a specific number of features. We'll be soon launching more features as the time will go on, but currently we have a couple of features on the site. So one is uploading tools and templates, in which a user, that is a vendor, can come. He can, after sanitizing the documents, he can upload his tools, templates in the form of reports, presentation, Excel tools, tech tools. That is one feature. Second is the advisory feature, in which vendor can set his hourly rate and availability within the week through the back end of his profile, and based on his availability, a user can come to our platform and he can book his number of hours, starting from minimum 30 minutes till maximum 2 hours at a stretch. So these are the features right now which we are launching.
How will it help the users?
See, it can help users in a sense that they can save a lot of time and money. So let me give you an example that let's say a user who is starting his business in the field of a restaurant, and he wants to test the feasibility because he wants to present the document to the bank for funding. So what he can do is, instead of creating the document from scratch, he can come to our website, he can take a particular template, an industry driven template, and this is how he can save his time and money both.
Will iCrest compromise the confidentiality of the documents?
No, so it's not going to compromise the confidentiality of information, because we have clearly mentioned on our site that before you upload the documents and the tools, you need to sanitize your document, and at the same time the original ownership of the document is not going to be transferred. So we are just acting as a licensee, license company, in which we are providing license to the buyer to use the document to do some derivative work or to reuse, maybe for assisting to his clients.
So what's so different in iCrest as opposed to using Google to find these tools and templates?
So it's totally different from what you see when you do a Google search in terms of template, because we are not just using a generalized template for everything. It's an industry driven website in which you will get industry driven tools and templates, and that too from expert analysts from across the globe. So there is no general standardized template which we have created for every product category. There's a specific product which you can get for your particular industry. So this is how the basic difference and I believe is the major difference between the Google templates and on our website.
How can it help entrepreneurs during the COVID situation?
So I'm pretty sure that it will act as a boon in the current scenario, which everyone is aware of, the economic situation across the globe of the businesses. Basically, consultants, have a lot of experience in their particular field, and so what they can use this platform is to generate passive income by uploading either tools and templates, or maybe they can do some branding by uploading some free tools or knowledge sharing tools, or at the same time they can also do an hourly consulting, which I have mentioned just before.
Thank you so much for having this interview with me. Do you have any last notes?
Yeah, so at the last, I would like to thank all the people who are watching this interview, and whomsoever think that they can bring some value addition to the platform, they can come to the platform and they can register for free at the moment, and then can take benefit of this economic situation and can start earning some passive income. Thank you.